You want my grilled cheese? Hi, welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen with the Old Farmer's Almanac. As you can see from around me, we have gone to work on creating the ultimate grilled cheese. It's called the Triple Play Grilled Cheese from Comfort Food. Let me show you how it's done. Smear one slice of bread with half of the cream cheese and mustard. Cover with cheddar cheese and lay on 2 or 3 slices of tomato if you're using them. Cover with Havarti cheese and smear the other slice of bread with the remaining cream cheese and more mustard. Then place it cream cheese side down on the Havarti cheese. Spread the butter on the dry side of each of the bread slices. Place the sandwich in the skillet and cook for 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown all over and the cheese starts to ooze.